Yeah.
Perfect.
Is the right side, and I will check is the right mirror. And again I will check left side mirror because I turned this left side.
Yeah.
So now I go straight. So when I go straight, maybe I will check is this mirror
Yes.
sometimes because of if someone is behind.
Behind you.
Yeah.
So center mirror we check for the on the new road. So we check behind. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. End of the road. Turn left. Now we're gonna do. So why did you move to the right side?
Because if there is a parking car, there is no space.
Okay.
So I need to turn the right side.
You turning left. Okay.
Yeah.
And remember your speed. Okay. Look again. Creep forward. Look again. Then. Good. Good. Keep more to the left. You don't want to go wide. Remember on that side. Good. You did everything perfectly fine. Only when you were turning left now, you went really wide. You went to the other side. So we're gonna go around again, or we need to fix the fault. Okay? We want to do this circle again. So left here. Good. So keep going ahead, and then end of the road, turn left. Perfect. Keep going. Good. No, he's not coming. Don't look at him. Look at the no. Yeah. Squirrel is just loving these trees. He live here. So end of the road, turn left. Good observation. Good routine, good planning. End of the road, turn left. Perfect. Good observation. And when you're turning, you check on the left.
side. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now I check right side because I get the turn right because there is a parking.
Okay.
No car.
So at the crossroad, turn left, please. Remember your position and your speed. Routine is fine, signal is okay, everything is fine, observation is good, keep looking. Good. Okay, now follow the road ahead, and end of the road we are turning left, and we need to fix the fault that we make in last circle, okay? So when we turn, we steer more to the left. We don't want to go to the right in other lane because people coming from the other side, sometimes buses come from the other side. So we don't want to go to the other lane, okay? We steer in our own lane, we turn more to the left. And when you keep steering to the left, you go very smoothly in your own lane. Good routine. Start on the right time. Mirror signal is fine, absolutely okay. Speed is fine, position is okay. We need to make a nice and smooth turn. More to the left, remember. Because we turn left and steer more to the left. More to the left. Good. We don't want to go, the black line is the middle line. We don't want to go there. Perfectly fine. Good. We've fix this fault. This is perfectly fine, so we're gonna go ahead, turn left and pull up to the left, okay? So now we're gonna make planning for the right turn. Good. Come a little bit to my side. That's perfectly fine. And we pull up to the left here before this grey car. Nice and slow. Keep more to the close with the curb. That's fine. Absolutely okay. And we park here. We park the car, handbrake up and secure the car, okay? Well done. Perfectly fine, okay? The last circle was okay. You fixed the last four.